SMP welcomes you to 2024, a guide to setting up and personalizing your Facebook page. This video will guide you through the process of establishing and customizing your Facebook page in 2024. We'll cover essential steps to ensure your page is professional and engaging. Follow these simple steps. Step 1, create your Facebook page. Step 2, customize your page with a professional profile picture and cover image. Step 3, add a compelling description that accurately reflects your brand or organization. Step 4, set up your page's call to action button to encourage user interaction. Step 5, personalize your Facebook page link for a more professional and memorable online presence. Watch to the end of this video to see the final results and learn how to maximize your Facebook page's impact. DigiSMP, your guide to digital success in 2024.
Log into your personal Facebook account and do the following. This is optional. You can add these informations later. Thank you for watching. See you at the next video.